Hello guys, you're welcome to another lesson, still on the structured query language. Today we'll be looking at another data manipulation language, and that is the update set where query language. This is how we express the syntax. Update table, give the table name, the set, that's the column. You declare the column name, and you now give us the value you want to input in it. So the column name will now equals the value, and then you declare the condition. Now, given this question here, we are to update the details of the following stars in the table employee in Preston School database. Remember, in the last class we created a database for Preston School. So how we just navigate to where I've saved it, and I open it quickly. So here it is. Now let's check the table. Let's open our table. Okay. Now if you look at this table, we don't have any column called state, because in the question here we had to update the details of staffs with this ID and their state. So looking at this, you don't have a column for state. All you need to do is to quickly add that column first. And how do you do that? It's very simple. Remember, I told you it's very good to save your queries. So I'm going to use one of the queries I've saved here earlier, and that is the alter add query. So you right click on it, click on design view, and it opens. Alright, this particular query was used to add email, a column called email. So I'll just edit it and put state there now, state, and declare the data type. You can leave it as character, and I run it. Okay, so sorry, you have to close this table. Remember, I told you in the previous lesson. So let's run it again. Design, run. Alright, no error message. That means that's been added. Now let's open our table. Open. Now you can see that here it has been added. That column has been added. Now let's go back to the question. We have to add the state of staffs with this ID in that table. How do you do that? It's very simple. Remember, I said we'll be using the update set where query. Now you go to create, select query design. This pops up. You close it, and then remember to click on your SQL view. Alright, so you declare the query like this. I said you first declare the table you want to update. Update what table? Employee then the set. The next you go to another line, set what set? State equals the first person there, or your person with ID 115, or your state. So let's do that quickly. Equals, open a single quotation symbol, or your, close it. Next line, the condition now will be where ID equals 115. That's it. So let's run it and see what we'll get. You are about to update one rows. So yes, now let's check the table here. All right, so you can see this, the staff with ID 115, his or her data has been updated. Now you can see the state. So that's how to update a record in a table. We're going to do that quickly for others, and we'll see the results. Remember, I told you when you are working on the same query, you don't need to delete and type all over. You just edit the values. The next person there is ID 120 Delta State. So let's edit that quickly. And you run it, click on design, run. Yes, check your table to see that that has been done. So we have it there. Let's finish up quickly. To the last person, then you run it. Okay, now let's check our table. Now you can see that good number of stars we've been able to add their states. So that is how the update sets where commands run. Okay, let's check the table again and ensure we've done all we have in the question. Okay, now if you look at this, in ID 132, the state in the question says Ondo, and I have here Oyo. So how do I do that? Just go back to the query and edit it, and you run it again. So let's just correct the value here to be Ondo and click on design, run. Yes, and let's check that has been corrected. So now let's check from the question if we've done all we are asked to do. Okay, ID 115, Oyo State 120, and to the last one 132. So that's how the update sets where query works. Don't forget to save your query in case you will need it some other time. So let's just call it update state. Click on OK. Okay, that will be all for today. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.